Hello, today I wanted to show you how to change the oil on the Kindernay internal gear hub. So when you receive the hub, there's no oil inside. They ship it with the little canister here, and it's 40 millimeters. So you need to add this to the internal gear hub. And it's pretty simple to do it. So you unscrew all the screws that keep the hub connected to the swap system. And then you just remove one screw on top of the gear hub. I'm going to show you as soon as I get the screws out. What they mention on their site, on the FAQ, that you need to change the oil every 5,000 kilometers. But they also mention that the first time you put in the oil, you should change it after 500 kilometers. And they mentioned that that's to make sure that if there are debris because manufacturing or anything, it gets removed with the first oil. So you remove the swap system here. Again, this is much larger because it's for the fat bike. For a normal bike you will have until here. This is just an extension so that it works for a fat bike. So the internal gear hub is the block is pretty much the same for the different sizes. That's what so up here there is the screw. You remove the screw. Okay. And then you take the oil and you pour it inside. It should contain all of it. Open. I should do not a mess like I just did. They also mention that they have a oil kit, but there's no mention of how much is it and what type of oil. If you have to buy their oil, or you can add other type of oil, mineral oils. This one I don't know. In time we'll know more details. Okay, I didn't finish yet. Let me just clean this. I made a mess, of course. Almost done. Open. Let me clean again this. As usually when you change oil, it's always a mess. Almost done. Okay, looks like I'm done, pretty much. Maybe just a little bit more. Let's see if there are any remaining. That's it. So let me clean a bit. And then you just screw back the screw, and that's it. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's just messy as usual with oil. So I'll show you closer. So this is the screw that is on top of the hub. And so when you put back the swap system, it is covered. So you can see it's down here. It's inside here. That's it. It's very simple, messy as usual. So again, the little bottle is like 40 millimeters, and you should put right away when you receive it 500 kilometers the first one, and after that every 5,000 kilometers. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll show you more videos, upcoming videos in the next few days or weeks. Okay? Again, if you have any question, just post it in the comment. Thank you.